Jet2.com, we're proud to be awarded the best UK airline on TripAdvisor. And what we love most is taking you to your sun, city and ski favourites. You can now fly to 61 great destinations from 9 UK airports, including Mallorca, Rome and Geneva, all from only £49 with no credit card fees. Book now with the winner of Which Travel Brand of the Year, Jet2.com. Friendly low fares.
It's time to take you through the safety procedures for our Boeing 737-800. It's very important, so please remove any headphones and listen carefully.
In the seat pocket in front of you, you'll find a safety instruction card.
It has all sorts of safety information, with details about emergency doors and escape routes, oxygen masks, how to use the life jackets, the brace position, and more.
And you'll find even more safety info in our Jet2 magazine. Please be aware of the safety signs in the cabin and follow all instructions given by us.
This plane has 8 emergency exits. These are clearly marked, and we're pointing them out to you now. There are 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, 4 overwing exits in the centre, and 2 doors at the front.
To help you find your way to the exits when there's reduced lighting and visibility, we have extra lighting in the ceiling and in the aisle along the floor. Take a look for your nearest exits now, bearing in mind that they may be behind you.
If you need to leave the plane quickly, take off your shoes or anything that may damage the slide. Leave all luggage behind and go to your nearest usable exit.
If there's a change in cabin pressure, masks like these will appear from the panel above your head. As soon as you see it, pull down to start the flow of oxygen. Breathe normally as you put it over your mouth and nose. Then adjust a bit. Make sure you put your own mask on first before helping anyone else. The bag on the mask may not inflate, but rest assured oxygen will still be flowing.
We have lots of great food and drink to share with you. To keep you happy, not hungry, we've got some fantastic money-saving deals, including our range of tasty, fresh sandwiches and toasties. You can even bag some Seabrook crisps in the bargain for just 30 pence extra.
Choose from selected spirits, wines, beers or ciders. Buy 2 for just £8. Or treat yourself to some of our premium spirits. You can enjoy Tanqueray Gin, Ciroc Vodka or Johnny Walker Whiskey. Any 2 for just £11.
Don't forget, as part of our friendly On-Board Together policy, you can only drink alcohol that is served by us. Doesn't time fly? As we prepare for landing, please sit down, buckle up and stay seated. Please put your things back into the overhead lockers or under the seat in front of you.
And make sure the aisle and exit areas are nice and clear. When you're settled in, fasten your seatbelt tight and low around your waist. Fold away your tray table and cup holder and put your armrests down.
Please switch off all electronic devices and put them away until the seatbelt signs have been turned off after landing. Finally, have another look at the safety instruction card.
Then put it at the front of your seat pocket. If we tell you to leave the aircraft quickly, please remember to leave all luggage behind.
We'd really appreciate your help to keep things nice and tidy.